So I need to create another garage door remote control, but we don't have one, so I picked up this one here. This is a lift away garage door remote. You can get these at Bunnings, and they're about anywhere between $15 to $30 to $40 to $50 depending on the model. You can take a picture of your garage door opener and match it up with the ones that are in the store. In this case here, this one here is a B&D and it fits the same model as the one we're using today. First things first, I'm going to pull it out of the packet. Comes with a little battery. We need to unscrew the back. Put the battery in. Close it up. And now we can start to pair the remote. Usually they have instructions on the back of the remote door opener, and in this case this one says press and hold transmitter push button, press the receiver code button, when the opener light flashes release both push buttons. But we have to be careful because this one also says erase all receiver codes, and it says press and hold receiver code button 6 seconds, indicator light will turn on. If we do this, we could essentially lose all the codes and remotes that are paired with this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to pair it. So what we're going to press is the transmitter button and hold it, and then we're going to press the receiver code button, and when it flashes it should be paired. So let's try that now. Push the transmitter, press the receiver. Done. In theory now it should be paired, so let's try it. Let's try it again. Our transmitter. Fantastic.